Alright, up here I got my dual grips, the regular stock bar ends, Tektro brake lever, stock cable, Mirraco Black Label Slim Fast bars. They're 8-inch rise with 28 width. Got my stock Mirraco front load stem. It's 50mm reach. Got a kink integrated headset. Down to Mirraco forks stock with a Mirraco double wall front rim. It's unsealed with a Maxxis Holy Roller. My frame is a Mirraco number 7 2010 model. It's 20.8-inch top 2, like 4 pounds flat. It's really nice. My seat is a Shadow Conspiracy Penumbra seat, the California edition, black and purple. Got a stolen thermalite post down here. It's kind of hard to see. Integrated seat clamp, Tektro E-brake with curved brake pads, Eastern Medusa sprocket with the KNC regular 1/8 chain, and Mirraco Black Label cranks, and Shadow Ravager PC pedals. They're really grippy and they're not that bad on your shins. In the back I got the Shadow Stun complete wheel. It's a stun rim laced to a Raptor hub. And I got the Maxxis hookworm. And here's the sound of my cassette. And that's my bike check.